nakushemerera mnonga TV West program iteje Ensinganto izoberi nshemerera mnonga abo kugira ngo iwe akire nkaka no twijuka utwegaitaho nyitwa Barbara izoberi twazo muri Nyamitanga ahari Aloysius Primary School kandi abantu banyana bitu mnonga twosirente batayira kandi barigiro batayiso mundo gundi omutamiti ya kabiri omwaka wo 2019 nkabutosha ntwatine byinji program izoberi ntwenda kwegesa kushime kubano manya kushaba kandi abana bishomerere nabenkirize Yesu Kristo benda twegesa umuringo gumwe ogubari kushabiramu oguru kwetu kushomesa puri handi hacenti ja kubantu raba scout bategurire tinona nabi byo gukora imikono bya art and crafts kandi na handi hace home show tija no kureta debate program nini ngwa kandi nunji kandi shemire mnonga ninko yanangiza ngo twegaitaho mnonga abwizoberi turebe kandi shemerere tweje twabatwine
Maria oryo muzire bambe tuhwere itwabana bawa watorine nitukushaba omureto robutumwa bwitu tugume twezire wawe bukabugensi yona no mu Uganda reba nitwebwa twizira Maria oryo muzire bambe tuhwere itabana bawa buwatorine nitukushaba omureto robutumwa bwitu tugume twezire ninchizanga pato mshorozi wa byona omuhanji w'igurnesi na Yesu Kristo mwana w'Mukama witu owabakiro mu nda bwa mtumo kwera yazarwa Bikira Maria yarebesbwe na kwa butwara bwa Ponsiyo Pilato yabambwa musharaba yafa yazikwa yashumo kuzimu aizakishati yazokomba fire yatembo mu iguru ashitamya buryo bwarangisha umushoborozi wa byona eyaragana ijakishobora bahuriye n'abafire ninkiriza mtumo kwera ekereziya kakirire okweteranamo kashirire okusasura kwebi okuzoka kwembiri n'amagara gataruwaho amina tatito mu iguru izina ryawe ritinwe obukama bwawe bwije ebyo kunda bukoro munsi ngoko bukoro mu iguru oterizobega batiyo butosha otsasere byitu otsashagiza otateka tkohibwa koreko tujunombi amina kasinje Maria ojire nema omukama niwe okayebwo mcyo kirabakazubona na Yesu mwana wenda yakayebwo mgisha Mario mwishe tango tshabita basisi bwenu nobunako kufa kwitu amina kasinje Maria ojire nema omukama niwe okayebwo mcyo kirabakazubona na Yesu mwana wenda yakayebwo mgisha Mario mwishe tango tshabita basisi bwenu nobunako kufa kwitu amina kasinje Maria ojire nema omukama niwe okayebwo mcyo kirabakazubona na Yesu mwana wenda yakayebwo mgisha Mario mwishe tango tshabita basisi bwenu nobunako kufa kwitu amina estinwa chibaru pate nar mwana nar mtumo kwera nkokuchabe chiba kwena mbwenu nobutosha nebro byona amina ayezu witu otsasensho bzitu otindo burogtarwaho kandi ese mtumayo no mwiguru mamunejera kwetenga mnongo bangiza ubwawe ebukora byo kushemera kikacho kubanza Marika Gabriel nagambira Maria ati oryazara umwana warahanga cengesho kwecehesa tatito mwiguru izina ryawe ritino kama bwawe bwije byo kunda bukoro munsi nkoko bukoro mwiguru ezebega bityo butosha otsasere byitu ngo sasa shagiza tatereka tkohibwa koreko tujunombi amin kasinje Maria ijire nema omukama niwe okayebwo mcyo kirabakazubona na Yesu mwana wenda yakayebwo mgisha Maria mwichena tango tshabita basisi wenu nobunako kufa kwitu amina kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda yawe akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda yawe akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda yawe akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda yawe akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda yawe akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda yawe akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda yawe akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda yawe akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda yawe akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
ekitina kiba paternar mwana na mutima orikwera
okukyabekire kare na kare kirekwe nambwenu n'obutosha n'ebiro byona amina
a Yesu witu otusasire enshobi zitu oturinde omuriro gutarwaho kandi ahisye emitima yoona omu iguru muno munegere kwetenga munonga obubangizi bwawe ebikorwa by'okushemerera ekikorwa kya kabiri bikira Maria nazindukira Elizabeth omushyikirire mukuru we tushabe engesho y'okukundana tatito mwiguru izina ryawe ritina obukama bwawe bwije ibyo ukunda bukora omu nsi nk'oku bukora omu iguru otuheerize engabo yitiye butosha otusasire ebyitu nk'okutusasira tusagiza otatureka tukoyibwa kureka otujune omubi amina kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi wenu nakufa kwitu amina
kasinje Maria ijirene mukama ni wakahebwa umugisha cy'abakazibona na Yesu mwana wenda akahebwa umugisha
Maria umwichena rango chabita wasisi mwenu nomunakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo mukamani okayebwa omugisha kyabakazibona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mwenu nomunakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo mukamani okayebwa omugisha kyabakazibona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mwenu nomunakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo mukamani okayebwa omugisha kyabakazibona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mwenu nomunakufa kwitu. Amina.
Ekitiinwa kibara Patero nara Mwana nara Mutima orikwera
okushabe ekikari na kare kibekwe na mbwenu n'obutosha n'ebiro byona. Amina.
Yesu witu
otusasire enshobi ziitu,
oturinde omuriro kutarwaho
kandi esi emitima yona omwiguru nomunegere kwetenga munonga obubangizi bwawe.
ebikorwa by'okushemererwa ekikorwa kya kashatu. Yesu Kristo nazarwa Betelehemu mu Kayente. Bikira Maria otushabire engesho y'okugumisiriza omu bworo.
Tatito omwiguru izina ryawe riine obukama bwawe bwije byokunda bukorwa omu nsi nk'oku bukorwa omwiguru. Otuheerize ebigabo yitu obutosha, otusasire ebyaitu nk'okusaasa amatushagiza, otatureka tukoyibwa kureka otuje n'omubi. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo Mukama ari niwe okayebwa omu kisheko ky'abakazi boona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mbwenu nobonakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo Mukama ari niwe okayebwa omu kisheko ky'abakazi boona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mbwenu nobonakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo Mukama ari niwe okayebwa omu kisheko ky'abakazi boona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mbwenu nobonakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo Mukama ari niwe okayebwa omu kisheko ky'abakazi boona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi,
mbwenu
nobonakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo Mukama ari niwe okayebwa omu kisheko ky'abakazi boona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mwenu nobonakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo Mukama ari niwe okayebwa omu kisheko ky'abakazi boona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mwenu nobonakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo Mukama ari niwe okayebwa omu kisheko ky'abakazi boona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mwenu nobonakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo Mukama ari niwe okayebwa omu kisheko ky'abakazi boona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mwenu nobonakufa kwitu. Amina.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo Mukama ari niwe okayebwa omu kisheko ky'abakazi boona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mwenu nobonakufa kwitu. Amina.
nyanjira kwakira watagita amajingaga kandi ko twakumutsira turi ya St. Aloysius. Abana nibamanya by'imikono, nibamanya kushaba, nibamanya debate kandi nibamanya n'ibya scouts and guides. N'ekintu cyo mpano kushanga ngo aburiye hishomero hine group yo kubasa kwegaitaho ukashanga n'ushemerura noje kiwagikora. Group age nebasa kubera club kandi ahishomera yebina binji hari aba scout, hari aba guide, hari aba debate, hari aba rukwinga, hari aba piase, ariyo clubs nyamwinji, hari na music dance and drama. Mbweni nkomwana eyawe beheyozamu okashemerwa okega kandi ukabasa no kwegesa abandi. Ico nacukereza nka homework. Katwenjere mesho na program.
Kasinje Maria ijire nemo Mukama ari niwe okayebwa omu kisheko ky'abakazi boona na Yesu omwana wenda yakayebwa omugisha.
Maria omwikyeni naruhango tushabire abasisi, mbwenu n'obunakufa kwitu amina ekitiinwa kiba Paternal Mwana na Mutima Orikwera ng'okukyabekire kare na kare kibeho na mbwenu n'obutosha n'ebiro byona amina Ai Yesu witu osasire enshoro ziitu oturinde omuriro gutaruhaho kandi ohisye emitima yoona omu iguru n'omunegere kwetenga munonga obubangizi bwawe
Singa Maria iwe nyina ruhanga Singa Maria iwe mugabekazi Singa mukuru w'abazire n'iguru n'obutaka ko bitware Singa Maria iwe nyina ruhanga Singa Maria iwe mugabekazi
Nshamirira kurengo nitwe aha program ite Ensinganto izoberi kandi twendaganira n'abana ba Aloysius Primary School abatayisi izoberi abatwegesa kushomesa puri abatwegesa kushaba ijuka ngo moga go kwegesa nkebi ningasho kubikuretera no kumanya ngo omunchiriza yone yoyine oyine kubo inakiri unko mwana oburu kweherera ukagamba onarahanga ukashaba bako kushaba n'ikindi kikuru ahamagara gate izobera abutwine nabenchiriza Kristo kandi bari batwegesa umuringo gumwari yeje miringo minji bari kushabiramu kandi turi kumanya je no kushabe sapuri abana bashaba gisapuri yabo batugeza aho bimwe bari kubasa gukora nashe bari gukora umukugezaho kushabe sapuri hatabunye n'amajingaga nibenda kujokera bona abutwasiba nabo batekereze aha bwenci kirucukura hamagaraga abana kushome sapuri izina ryawe
Aho Patricia
ine myaka engahi
emyaka 11
nushoma mutakangahi
ekyakatano
uwanyi ningahi Patricia
Isinjiro
nkahi Kabiyando inabazire bawe babeta bawe
Mama wanje Mbabazi Penrop kandi tata wanje Kwatlaw Innocent
nibakora ki
bine business
Patricia wabunchi noshomesa puri
nishomesa puri kugira obwenje
kari webare kangame nondijo ndigaye mshije nakushemerwa ninye nakira nibakweto
abo Cyrus
ine myaka engahi
nemyaka 11
nushoma mutakangahi P5 Cyrus wanyi ningahi Mary Hill notura Mary Hill omwishomero ne yabazire bawe babita bawe
tata wanje mbamweta Busingera Burensi na mama wanje mbamweta Chomwan Jennifer
nibakora ki
tata wanje n'umukuru w'abateki rero mama wanje we ayine business
hatiwe aha bwenci noshomesa puri yawe je
nshomesa puri ngo abazire banje batunge school fees zo kunshashura
high five webati atkangame n'umushiki wanje ogo how are you my dear
I'm fine
nibakweto
Kamara
Martha ine myaka engahi
myaka 11
noshoma mutakanga
cyakatano
uwanyi ningahi Martha Ruti abazire bawe bene nibahi
ashaba Elizabeth na Sarongo Julius
nibakora ki
n'abashomesa
ba primary nursery secondary university
primary
bashomesa cyakanga
mama wanje nashomesa icyakabiri tata wanje nashomesa icyakatano
hatiwe abwenci nokunda kushoma kasapuri kawaka
nshabesa puri ngo eka yanje tunge umukayanje tutunge businji
umukayanye tuto mukayitu mutunze obusinje nubwija miringo cye yo rukumanya
tukundane tubagane
ngibyo ka high five webari nabona umushijo ndijo how are you sebo
I'm fine
nibakwetoha
abigaba
Rinas ine myaka engahi
12
nushoma mutakanga
cyakatano
wanyi ningahi
Ruti
abazire bawe nibahe
tata wanje bamwita Agaba Richard mama wanje bamwita Nakajoberide
nibakora ki
tata wanje n'umupolisi mama wanje ine business
Rinas noshabira cyo gisapure inarebo ine
nisabesa puri ngenka yite ngo businje
webari ka high five good nafune empangare urirota
ndireche
nibakwetoha
Alinda Elizabeth
mwana Elizabeth gamba nkanye munonga oyine myaka engahi
myaka 10
owanyi ningahi
Nsichi
omunsichi oyine yabazire bawe nibahi
mama wanje mbamwita ko bisinje eva ijya tata wanje tenkurumanya
iri tata wawe utokurumanya kare ujo buzima marugambere konka hata ngambira umushyi wanje esapuri yawe jeje yo kukunda abwenshi nobo jino uri kugishaba
mbane nshaba kugira ngo nkore byombigezo byanje
ukore byombigezo byawe amina kare we bari mnongo namushemero mushijogu
nacera
naye tuha
akampa emurini
ni myaka ingahe emurini
13
nujumu mtakanga
Nyamukaga
iwe noruganka hi ngara wene yabazire bawe nibahi
tata wanje ni Kiza Filipo mama wanje na Atwine Wini
nibakora ki
mama wanje na guzom business tata wanje no farm
hatu weziwe isapure jo inene yacu
ne nyambo omukoshomaje ne mpwera kugamba ari bicara Maria kandi akanyambo mishomo yanje
kare we bari sebo umushi wanje nakushemera mwana gamba mnonga nakushemera no yetuha
amazina ganje ndakokunda
Mary Precious ni myaka ingahe
11
wanyu ninkai
katete
no shumu mtakanga hi
Nyamukaga
abazire bawe beine bangambiri amazina
izina rya mama ni Sima Jacqueline irya tata ni Shabara Hangapita
nibakora ki
mama ine business tata no
mushomesa wankai
Aloysius Primary School
na shumisa mchakanga mchakana akakushomesaho
yes
hata ngambira Mary Precious esapureji no shabe yenje
kwicira rahanga
kuboine ruhanga shayo ka high five we bari nabona umushija ina masanyu nakushemerura se
nacera
iraho misho kati no yetu
kandwa na opta
nakunda pita
nanye nakunda
we bari kunkunda we ni myaka ingahe
11
nujumu mchakanga
chakatana
abazire bawone bahi
mama wanje mama tayiche zaruze tata wanje mama ta Magezi Joseph
nibakora ki
tata wanje navuga motoka mama wanje ine business
hatu weza isapuri nencha abana nkiwe
isapuri ninshoma kutungwa kwenjo mukirasi
amina mukama kweli
ni wakweli
amina nabona umushumuringwa nakushemerera umushumuringwa
nace
nibakwetoha
omucharizme
oine myaka ingahe
8
wanyu ninkai
kibona
uko muri sinzo
yes
oine abazire bawe bahi
tata wanje ni Mugabe Robert mama wanje ni Kobisinje Glory
nibakora ki
tata wanje ari muri Charismatic mama wanje ine business
hatu Rosemary abunshi nokunda kushomesa puri
ninshomesa puri ngwe mpama ngumeni mpikena Bikira Maria ampama ngo kushoma
akamani go kushoma Bikira Maria nagakwa uje mugambere na nyampamani minzi no kumusaba amani ganyo we ngwankorisa
anyambe
kandi nyowe no kumusaba ngwankorisa
akuyamba mbyo kukora byona
amina mpaka high five idisara ninje tenga mnonga we bari umushija yiro mishokati nakushemero
ninyo nacera
bakweto
agaba Joshua
ine myaka ingahe
10
wanyu ninkahi
no
umurti saide
nyakakuni
uri mtsakangahe
mchakatano
hat Joshua isaprejo ninje
ninshoma kutungo bwenjo mukirasi
we bari mnonga Joshua kare umushi wanje nakushemerwa asapur karunzi
Yebare
mbakwetoha
ahisogera
neto ine myaka ingahe
11
no shumu mtsakangahe
Nyamukaga
wanyu ninkahi
no
umurti nkahi
katera
sero negarira ikatera ware wajinzira mchikona kuri ngaharisha hata lineti abazire bawone ba
mama wanje nchasi Maskovia kandi tata wanje nahimbisuge Alex
nakora tata mama nawe nakora
tata wanje nticha kandi mama wanje aine business
tata wone tichanka isinjoro nkahi
ngara secondary school
hata lineti akasapuru kawaka karunji abwenchokini
ni kanyambo mishomo yanje ninkashaba nini shama Bikira Maria ampereza ubwenge ampeze na nobusinje mu makaganje makagita
kare ka high five we bari lineti nakushemero
Ninyo nacha
izina ryawe
atwase Diana
Diana ni myaka ingahe
emyaka 12
ushomera mucakanga
omucyamukaga
wanyu ni nkahi umuruti nkahi
muruto anyina gati
hagati nkazana nkamuyogoma nkakatare nkajuriyana nkankai
hihi nanankeji supermarket
eha yabanywana najimanya hata wiziwe Diana abonchi nokunda kushomesa puri
nishomesa puri ntimfune ntabaze banje bafune sente zo kunshomesa
ico nchukuru webare mnongo gumeno ushoma ka high five webare nakushomera umusundiju ikahi turebe mbakwetu
banyetata manya
ano ine myaka enga
nemyaka 12
wanyu ninka
Awite nchitomu isinjoro.
Mushomero mchakanga hii.
Mchamukaga.
Atiwe ana boncho nokundesa puri yaweji.
Ninkundesha puri yanje jingu niko omukirasi batichazi banje bano bashomesa ntunga magezo na nyambo no murumonko gwabo.
Nko gwabo baticha. No enda kwija kubaticha. No enda kwija kubaticha wichakanga.
Wechamshanje.
No enda kushomesa cyo mchamshanje.
English.
Hasa ranga yakura. Bakuma noshomesa puri yawe naija kuchukura. Aha, webari ana. Omushije nakushemerwa.
Ninye nachera.
Oyetuwa.
Turyamwizuka Bernard.
Bernard ine myaka enga?
13.
Noshomera mchakanga.
Mchaka 5.
Wanyu ninka?
Rentondo.
Yakakoba ninge yoko.
Ya side za chubona.
Najimanya. Hata weziwe turyamwizuka wanjira ngori mchakanga?
Mchaka 5.
Esa puri yawe ujishomera ki?
Nisomesa puri isomero ryitu kujoro businje na neka yitu.
Konka ansa karunji. High five. Webari. Omushwanje. Ijoro misho turebe. Nakushemera.
Nye nachi.
Izina ryawe.
Sima internet.
Neto ine myaka enga?
11.
Mushomera mchakanga?
P6.
Wanyu ninkahi?
Nyakayejo.
Nyakayejo nkahi?
Nyamiyaga.
Harumki kurba kwita tsajoy no manya. Weno hamanya. Ni no wani. Kurba wajiri munda mchize. Hatrineti esapuri yawe no shomenze.
Nishameje sapuri kunyambo mishomo yanje no kwesasize bibyanje.
No kwesasize bibyawe. Amen. Ka high five. Ngoko wanoreba nekintu mchukuru kumanya kushaba kandi ukamanya no kushome kuba no shaba abana aba batumuritsira kuba kushomesa puri emyoga yo kushomesa puri kandi naha bwenzi kiri chukuru kushaba ngamagara gawe gona waguma no shaba abo kuba mukushaba nabano tunge ibintu byinji mnonga ngoko wahurana bahereza objurizi omukushaba kwabo amajinga gatwaza kuzumuka humura kagufu turente tugara kandi tuje kuretera ibindi byinji program itejizobere utakarga
Piga makofi. Ndio. 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 An item from Gerard. Wow.
Be prepared. It's our motto.
nakushemerwa
nanye nakushemera
nibakweto
atuhire Shivani
Shivani wene myaka engahe
13
mushomero mucakangahe
omukyamukaga
wanyu ninkahi
omukatojo
koko muri ngara uko muruti w'amaduka g'umuti hati Shivani abwenzi uri umushikando uri umusikautu
okuba umusikautu nukwegesa imico mirungi nko kuyamba abantu wabugana nko mukada muhanda ukamucereza ibintu byeyo ukamutwara
mwe n'abana batari ba scout bakwega imico mirungi mwe niyo shatumire wabo mu scout ebintu murukora mu scout bwanyu abishidabo byona nibabasa
babasa
ninkabi
okweshongora okureta ebyeshongoro nk'ekihanga na no kuzina
kandi mu parade yanyu numukora bintu ebindi bikorwa nko mbirwa ukashanga ngo nyakuba nyoni manga aba scout bari nka basirikare bakora ibintu bigumire nuko
nuko kiri
mwe nibihebye bigumire mu rukora
ntutambura nkasoro machi tureterana n'ebyeshongoro byihanga
nk'ebyo mbwe kare Shivani webare mnonga khereza aba scout abariyo batureba abishiki ubutuma bwawe nana abatakabire ba scout akagambo kamo
mboye nima bica baryo kabatakabira scout aba scout mwaferwa
kandi ababira aba scout
bagumirize mbatarekeraho
webare Shivani
webare kusima
kandi ngambe na nomushijo gumuringwa mnonga sebe nakushemerwa
iwe nakiri
iwe mbakweto
mugamba Gerard
no shumo mchakanga
umchamshanzo
wanyu ninkahi
lekimburu
Gerard abwensi umbintu byene byo mwishomereri watunzire okunda ko kugira ngo bo musikaho
nicyo kintu cyansemize
nicyo cyakushemiza cyatume cyakushemeza niki
hambe ibintu binje bitwegeramo
mwegera munkaci
ngo kumbeka tukose muguha ntuyamba abantu bakateyamba na n'ibintu binje
ebye murukore bwangambera na nabishitse mbambene
bona ntubatubiye
hino mukugira ngo abishika tubasasibwe bo tubihemu ebitwente twabikora nkabujo twenka
icyo kiroho
umwana w'umushina no mojo nogira ngo buriyo mwayi no mugisha kuba mu scout nko kuri abwenzi
abo kugera niyo skill nunge yo kwejyamo ibintu byinji
nahura no gambo kuombeka mbasa kuombeka nkaci
tuombeka amazu toyireti tukose muguha na nebiyungu
mwana hishomera hine kimwayombesere
tukabe ntubyombeka chonka bwen ntubyombeka bwen haronka za events hano ya
muorecerera ninga mwamuri ngoko mbyaro byanyu kumakubasa kutaho buriyo nkabana mukagiro kumahwera bazeye banyu kare akagambo kawo kamuhera aba scout na natakabere ba scout
na nyenda batakabiye ba scout babujoininge kubanga harimo emigisha nyingi yo kufunira memeromo ntufuna muza certificate bwen wajoininga no ine emigisha nyingi yo kufuna umurimo murungi
kandi ababere ba scout bono bagambera
bagumize muna no scout bwabo
webare mnonga
webare
kubanitwe tshemera mnonga abakireka ko kutereza program zitosha okwijuka ngushamkaga kandi noba no yitegura urukore bishome kuba no koromuka kandi okijuka ngo arishayisha tu urwamkaga ushome kuba no ja program ezo katureba kandi okijuka ngo narura kabishayi 11 no bori mutahi witu necho kwesimisa mnonga amajinga gatwaza kuzumuka humuro ndakagiroko nanye ndangukwijisi akatabo keitu akatoto izabana rero akashatu hamwe n'izoberi ya Sunday the new vision hamwe na the Sunday vision toto ne kuretera nkebi ebtwasiba ntukora program ari St. Aloysius nebindi binji omwihanga ryone birukorwa abana ebari kubasa nebikubashemeza nebikubegesa nyabra wojije ne yabsha omuzire wawe naguri hurre iwozarwa gato ihema katabo kawe oshemerwa kandi oshomana mutahi wawe twahumura mukace ntugaraka.
On the opposition side, we have Honorable Shilat. Come and take your seat. On the opposition side, we have Honorable Gilbert Ahilire. Come and take your seat. On the opposition side, we have Honorable Derek Tumwine. Come and take your seat. On the proposition side, we have Honorable Justin Alinda. Come and take your seat. Our daytime keeper is Honorable Marisa Ingrid. Come and take your seat. Our day's language critic is Honorable Gloria Kemidisha.
Come and take your seat. Our Daily Sergeant at Arms is Honorable Apollo Tudiahebwa, Honorable Patricia Atile, Honorable Jordan Amanya, and Honorable Krishana Tomjisho. For the time allowed by the speakers, let me call upon the timekeeper to say it.
Thank you, Chairperson. For the main speakers, you're going to use 2 minutes uninterrupted and 1 minute interrupted. And for the speakers from the audience, you're going to use 1 minute uninterrupted and 1 minute interrupted. If at all you have not yet finished saying out your views, humbly request for more time from the chairperson. Please respect the bells. Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you very much. All points are allowed through the chair. Let's get started. Let's start with the proposition side, Honorable Lambert Ankunda.
Thank you, Chairperson, the two antagonistic chambers and the House at large. I'm here to propose this motion which says, the coming of Europeans to Uganda did more harm than good. The Europeans took our resources. When the Europeans hadn't came, Uganda had a lot of resources. But when they came, they started taking our resources as raw materials for their home industries. And in turn, they brought those raw materials after manufacturing them into products. They brought them to us so that we can buy them on a high cost. The Europeans led to the decline of our culture. Before the coming of Europeans, we had our culture, which would make us true Africans. But when they came, they started giving us new styles of dressing, eating, and so many others. We were forced to go and we were forced to wear like them, eat like them, and if I may ask of you, how many of you eat like millet twice in a week? How many? None of all the people. It's time for questions. None of all the people can take millet twice in a week. What's that? But talk about rice. People will eat a lot of rice more than millet, so that is not helping our culture. The Europeans used Africans in their work, to fight for them.
Point of information granted to Honorable Collins.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson. Through you, I would like to inform the Honorable that you have said that once in a week no one will eat. And when the rice is brought, everyone is enjoying rice. Please, I want to tell you that rice and millet, they are this Chairperson. I beg for only that second.
Granted.
When this rice is also planted, they both give the same value. Although it is not from the culture, but even they don't force you to eat that rice. Please. Thank you, Chairperson.
Not granted. Let us have another honorable from the opposition side. Honorable Sulat Nalme.
Thank you, Chairperson. Supporters of Progress Center also. My name is Mary Shiran. I'm special supporting social state. The coming of Europeans to Uganda did no harm than good.
Because of my foreign reasons, they built schools. These schools help students schools help children to understand more language. And for example, when they go to other countries, they are able to communicate to other people easily. They build hospitals. These hospitals help people who are not okay. They heal sick people. When you get an accident, you can go to the hospital. They introduced family planning. There are those people who produce like 20 children, and they are not able to take care of those children. And when you produce like 1 or 2, you can.
Through you, I would like to inquire from the recurrent speaker to give me 2 examples of hospitals built by the missionaries.
Proposals plus the House at large. My name is Ahira Gilbert. I'm here to propose the motion which says that the coming of Europeans to Uganda did more harm than good because of my foreign reasons. Of course, for something to happen, it must come with an advantage or a disadvantage. So I'm talking about the disadvantages that were brought to Uganda by the Europeans. First, they destroyed our culture. Culture is something which concerns about social life. Social life mainly talks about the way how you live, the way how we dress, the way how we eat, the way how we walk, the way how we live in our life, even the economic activities that we carry out. The way of dressing changes. These are not the clothes of the Europeans. They introduced minis. Miniskirts are not allowed. Mainly they were using them to attract men in order to have their intentions. So we should stop, women should stop wearing mini dresses, mini skirts. Men should stop wearing these hats of the Europeans because they don't know what they used to make them. My second point is they introduced family planning, which was not in Africa before. Family planning leads the low population growth. Africans must produce. You must stop. You, the young generation, you should not use family planning because it will reduce the population of Africa. My second point is Africans lost independence. Independence is something good to enjoy. So the independence of Africans was overlooked. It was not given a chance to be time for questions, to be looked after. So,
I'd like to ask Honorable Gilbert, you have talked of excuse me, not granted. Your point was not through the chair. Suspended.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson. So I will continue saying, as I'm completing, I'm talking this from the bottom of my heart. Any European who is watching this program, please, Chairperson, I beg for 1 minute.
Granted.
Thank you. Any European who is watching this program, know that your fellow Europeans, as they came to Uganda, they left us poor. They did not care after us. They made our country destroyed, not to look better as it was supposed to look. So, we as the young generation, you Europeans must know that we as the young generation who is coming up, we shall develop our country, maintain all the things that you destroyed. So, thank you, Chairperson. Those were my points.
Let me call the language critic to tell us what she has written during the debate. Thank you, Chairperson. Can we have order? Through your chair, I would like to utter out the mistakes that were made by the honorables that were here. I will begin with the main speakers. Honorable Lambert, no mistake was made. Honorable Shiraz, she was repeating herself while mentioning some words. Honorable Gilbert, no mistake was made. Honorable Derrick,
He said the motion says, please Honorable, the motion does not say, but it reads or states. Honorable Justin, no mistake was made. Honorable Collins, no mistake was made. Then from the audience, Honorable Pauline, she said Vaseline ourselves instead of smear ourselves. She also said Marilyn instead of Melanie. Honorable Solomon, he counted views. Please, Honorable, where you are, views are not counted. Honorable Doreen, no mistake was made. Honorable Barnabas, no mistake was made. Thank you.
I've stood here to say the points which were spoken by both sides, the proposition side and the opposition side, and I would like to read them. I'm starting with the proposition side. First point, the Europeans took our resources. Second point, the Europeans led to decline of our culture. Third point, the Europeans used Africans as workers in their homeland. Fourth point, they introduced family planning, which reduced population in Uganda. Fifth point, they separated Turkana from Karamojong. Sixth point, the Europeans introduced dangerous cherry, which was dangerous human body. Seventh point, they introduced guns, which led to the suffering of the Europeans. Eighth point, colonialists never allowed Africans to grow their own cash crops. Now I go to the opposition side. The Europeans built schools. The Europeans built hospitals. The Europeans introduced family planning. The Europeans introduced new ways of controlling diseases. They introduced technology. The Europeans promoted peace and security. The opposition side has 6 points, while the proposition side has 8 points. So that means that the winners at the proposition side are... Thank you.
Yebare mnonga kuba mutahi bitabwa program yedseji kandi no kujijuka bitosha izoberi ebitantu basakwereka bya binji konka ishayakire nayo neba netuba kandi tugendaho zabasha mukaga no bano manyangu buzima zimushume kuba no koresha uburyo muka waburi yahishomero nabushume kuba no koresha kandi nitwa majinga kuzi kubashaha ina tuba turagirwa koma zabasha 12 aharwa kabiri tuba turagirwa koma nabantu Barbara umheza wawe nakora no mwami weekly from Toro bakunda mnonga mwebere kutayisa kandi mwebere no kutugereraje kugira ngo tubase kuba batayibanyu kandi no kuba nimwe a program iteji zoberi iwo ahandi yageita ha Rwanda raba n'abari kutayisa aha program eji muri kuturaka ishomero ryanyu rero tuje tubatayire nangwana n'abana bandi abari kwerundana nkama kanisa nabo tubatayira munchize tubasibura hizoberi mukama barinde muguma TV West.